Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional in today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 26th, 2024, almost end of the month. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 irregular puzzles. So, yeah. That's a lot. Let me start with the 3 Stars Sudoku number 8795. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Wow. That's a lot. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, but it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. Or there we have 7 in this column, no 7 is 7, should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. Or there we have 7 in the third column, no 7 is 7, should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column. First column, the only place left, 7, should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. The only place left, the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright, and now we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left, the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, need an 8 there. 8, 8, need an 8 here. Cannot continue with 8 now. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that means the other 2 missing numbers in the middle column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, and 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. So need a 9 here. 9. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only two places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, and I need a 9 there. Cannot continue with a 9 now, need to wait. How about these 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only place left of the 5 should be there. Then two numbers left in this big square for almost 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1 here. Okay. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there, so the 5 and 8 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Do we have all the 6s? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright, 5, 8, and need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 2. And need a 5. Alright. How about? Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. I need a pair. We need a pair again. 3. Yeah. 7. Okay. 1 and the 3 are missing here. And a 3. Ay. 2, 5, 3. 2, 5, 3. 3, 3. 2, 5. Need a 1 here. 1, 2, 5, and then 3 should be here. 3, 3. So we have 3 here. We have 3 there. Hey, come on. 5 in this row, column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 5 could be here, could be there. Need an 8 here. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 can be... cannot fill this yet. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left of the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and the 3, let me mark those. These three missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have 1 and 3 in the middle row, so no 1, 3, and in this box, 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, so 1 digit left. In this last column for number 2, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have 2 and 3 in this row, middle row, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left should be the 4 then, in this middle column. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in the middle column, second column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in the middle row, for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 is missing. 1 and a 3, okay. 1, 2, and 5 are missing here. 1, 2, and a 5. Okay. How about the 2 in the third column? 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 2 should be there. 5 and 8. We have an 8 now. So this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 3 need to wait. 1 and a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only place level 2 should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 or 3, we have a 2 now in this column, so this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so no row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Cannot believe this. Again, it's not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.